Welcome back. Let's talk about my 7th month on Etsy.
All right, so month 7 on Etsy. So for this month, I didn't get any new listings up there, and I know, almost every one of these videos, I say I need to get more listings on there. That's how I'm gonna get more growth. Yada yada yada, right? But I have not. But I will say that in October, I promise to get more listings out there. And I can definitely promise that because it's October and I already have a new listing. So I'll have at least one out there. Hope to get more. I haven't really been giving this the attention it deserves. But let's go over the stats. So I got less total visits, a few less orders, and about $12 less in organic revenue, right? So that resulted in a 2.82% conversion rate. So my conversion rate's a little bit better than the previous month, but I did make about $12 less in revenue. And so ad spend, I dialed that back a lot, and I only spent $89.64. And that resulted in 228 visits, 7 orders, or $45 in revenue, with a 3.07% conversion rate, which is kind of the lowest I've seen running ads. So I think it was a good call dialing this back because honestly, I've never been profitable running ads. I've always spent more in ads than I've made. And so I think I'm just going to keep dialing that back, probably maybe $1 a day just to see what that does, maybe $2. And here I had nearly $100 less in revenue this month than the previous month. So what's happening is obviously I spent a lot less money on ad revenue, and my organic traffic really isn't growing. In fact, it's kind of decreasing. And I think what I really need to do is better optimize my listings, figure out which ones are doing better, and replicate that with new listings, as well as get new listings out there. And I know I've continually said that time and time again, but I already have one new listing out here for the month of October. And so the reason why I haven't been giving this the focus it probably deserves or the time that it needs is because kind of around June, I started a new job with a company. And unfortunately, that made me, I traveled a lot for that job, which was kind of cool, but kind of got old a little fast. But anyways, that company had layoffs and my department was let go. So I no longer have that job to keep me busy. So I guess you could kind of consider that maybe a blessing in disguise. So I'll have a lot more time to work on this Etsy store. So you should see better numbers for October than you did in September. All right, so now when we look at my overall stats, I've had a total of 246 orders, getting close to 250. Total revenue is almost $1,200, with an overall conversion rate between organic traffic and ads of 3.85%. Total visits, 7,700. So I definitely need to convert more of those visitors to customers, which results in about $267 in total profit, and 46.5% of my total revenue comes from ad spend. So there you have it. I'm going to keep working on the store to try to figure out what works best to get my conversion rate up there. I'm going to get more listings out there, which would never hurt. I'm going to figure out better ways to optimize them with SEO. So stay tuned for month 8. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how this video series is going. Thank you so much. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.